Okay, greetings and welcome. Now, with the website, I put a links page in there for instructors, and we've got a bunch of countries there now. And if you've done the Alaska Force Qigong workshop with me, and you put a decent amount of effort afterwards for about a year of training, you're welcome to list yourself on that website. And some people on that website are only looking for training partners. Other people have meditation groups, Qigong groups, magic circles, and other people actually teach workshops and travel around the world. So if you want your name up there, just send me the details and and give me your address, your country, your city, your email address, and if you want, you can put your phone number there. That's up to you. Email should be enough. And then people in your country can contact you and say you have training partners or teach workshops, whatever you like. Now, people on this listing, I don't have an organization. It's just me teaching. I don't control people. I don't tell people what to teach. If you want to teach the information you learned in the workshop and you put your effort into being good at it, and you want to share it in the same way I did, great. If you're a music teacher and you're playing the guitar and you're teaching people how to get in the zone through the guitar, you might use some of those exercises, but not all of them. And your method of training will be unique to you. And so if you send me your contact, after your contact, just say, looking for training partners, or I teach workshops, or I'm a Tai Chi teacher, and you're taking some of the ideas into your Tai Chi school. You don't have to be teaching the same thing as me. And the job of a teacher is to ensure the next generation is better than the teacher. That's obvious. That works from a bacterial level all the way up the vibrational scale. So by you getting outside of the box of what I teach, then you're in a state in which you can evolve and grow it. Now, the box that I teach takes people outside of the traditional box. So it takes people into a circle. But as soon as they're in that circle, they start forming their own box again. And now what I want to encourage people to do is to evolve it, apply these principles from Hermetics into all these different arts and improve those arts. So to generate new training systems that work, that you put intelligent thought into, you put direct experience into, you've tested them, you've made sure that you get results with them, you've gone through a small meditation group, you've evolved a group of people, then you're ready to make an online training course, start teaching workshops on what you've developed. And that credit's yours. You develop it. And it's always nice to let people know, I based this on the Elastic Force Qigong system or on Franz Barden's work, and I extended it from there. That's a courtesy. That's nice. You don't have to, but it's nice to do. So if you've trained with me in the past, and hundreds of people have attended my workshops, you're welcome to put your name on there. Just email me those details. There's already quite a few people there. So those people already there, let me know whether you are teaching the information, you're running a magic circle, or you just want a training partner. So go looking for training partners, running a circle, classes, workshops, whatever your categorization. And if you have a direction as well, you're taking it in the music direction or the art direction or whatever it might be, you can also let me know that, so that people can just get a glimpse through these dozens of people and go, oh yeah, that person's a guitarist. I want to see what they've done with Hermetics and using guitar, and they'll get excited about that direction. So if you let me know that direction sooner than later, then people can start connecting to you. And just because your name's there doesn't mean you've got to be an instructor and be teaching. It just simply means that you're on that path and you like to share information in a small group or more. It's up to you. Okay, so have a look at my website, markrasmus.org, and then click on the links page, instructors link, and you'll see it all there. And if you want to be part of that, just drop me an email and let me know where you trained with me and when it was and so forth, so I can remember your face. I've taught way too many people to remember everyone. So just give me a reminder on how long you trained and what year it was, and because I have been teaching since the 80s. It's been a long time. Okay, thanks for your time, and talk soon.